Struggling with acne? Discover the revolutionary Asterisk, the Ordinary Acne Set Asterisk, your ultimate 3-step solution for a clearer complexion. This powerhouse kit features a gentle glucoside foaming cleanser to purify without stripping your skin, followed by the star ingredient salicylic acid 2% solution, expertly targeting pores and breakouts for effective exfoliation. Finally, lock in moisture with natural moisturizing factors plus beta-glucan, ensuring your skin stays hydrated and its barrier strengthened all day long. What makes this set truly special is its targeted approach, perfect for teens and adults alike, transforming your skincare routine into a confidence booster. Say goodbye to pesky pimples and hello to smooth, radiant skin. If you're searching for the best acne treatment that actually works, this is it. Ready to experience the difference? Click the Amazon link in the description below to grab your set and start your journey to blemish-free skin today. Trust me, you won't regret this purchase.